Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use what3words in Fossicking Places. Fossicking Places is a gold prospecting location map in Australia, and it has integrated what3words so that users can easily discover Fossicking locations with what3words addresses. So let's go ahead and go to their map. Here all you have to do is go ahead and zoom in. And you can see all of these icons, and different icons mean different things. You can find the directory over here. Next, you're going to click on this icon over here. It says click for map coordinates. So we're going to click on that. And you can click on any of these icons to get the location information. So the location information includes latitude and longitude, northing and easting, and of course, what3words addresses. So now you can go ahead, copy this address, and go to the what3words map site, paste the what3words address. Now you can choose the navigation app of your liking and navigate to this precise location. And that's how easy it is to use what3words in Fossicking Places. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.